Right foot first, step, throw, back. You're chill right now, you're playing it cool. Not too much effort. That'll come later.
Early in the morning, but who needs sleep when we're loving it up?
Giddy gallop.
What I gotta do this the hard way. My body wants to be in arms, baby.
You're so giddy, cause you just left Chris's house and you had a great time. Bang it out.
I got a bed, but I'd rather be yours tonight. I got a bed, but I'd rather be yours.
Hips, switch.
That's what I said.
Down.
I call you on the phone tonight. I got a bed, but I'd rather be yours.
Beginning.
You know I sleep on the left.
You have a little more pep in your step this time.
I move to the right, yeah, I do it for you. And I got work in the morning, early in the morning. But who needs sleep when I'm rocking with you?
Giddy gallop.
What I gotta do this the hard way. My body wants to be in arms, baby.
This is the third time this week you galloped away from Chris's, and you have no plans on stopping. Bang it out. Switch your hips. Hey. Single, single, double. Switch your hips. Slow. You're just gonna bang it out slow for a second. We all need practice. Switch your hips. Yes. And then crawl into bed. Booty call. Hey, Chris. You up? On my way. Make this a habit. Bang it up. I'm sure you're ready for bed after that song. Click right here to watch the official video and click right here for our 60-minute sweat sessions. We do them every single week. And link below to get all of the clothes we're wearing. This is Active Booty, our own activewear line, and we just restocked.